Commercial EMDR devices are expensive, limited, and often not customizable. So I decided to build my own for my PTSD, complex PTSD, and treatment resistant anxiety clients. This is a Wi-Fi controlled EMDR machine with smooth natural eye tracking, adjustable motion dynamics, breathing modes, and real-time control from my phone. Our EMDR device can be powered by a USB power bank for many sessions, or it can be powered by a USB charger adapter. Our EMDR device has turned on and it is now working in the default mode. Now I will take my phone and type in the IP address. This is the IP address I have set in the programming, and this is the interface that we get. Now I will show you different modes. Now first we will experiment with different frequencies. Different pacing profiles may feel more suitable depending on the client's level of activation, emotional overwhelm, grounding needs, and processing stage. Now this is the 0.7 Hz. It is best for deep trauma processing, reflective emotional exploration, and sustained focus on difficult memories. I can adjust the brightness. Now let us experiment with 1 Hz. It is the standard EMDR rhythm and it is best for general EMDR sessions, balance stimulation, and medium activation. 1.3 Hz is the moderate speed. It is for clients who feel stuck and facing intense processing intensity. Then there I can experiment with 1.6 Hz as well. I can change the width depending upon client's level of comfort. Now I can change how much the light slows down at the edges. This helps clients follow the light precisely without much eye discomfort. Actually, the light follows a sine or an arc sine wave depending upon the edge slowness. It can be adjusted to the client's level of comfort. In very fast processing frequencies, edge slowness can be a make or break session. It is very useful. I can change the colors as well. I can use colors in the blue spectrum for long sessions, trauma processing, calming, and low eye fatigue. I can change it to green for grounding and feeling fresh. I can change it to white if the client wants it. The warmer colors like purple, yellow, pink, red, these are best for alertness, attention. They are emotionally activating, but these have some downsides like eye gets fatigued over time, and sometimes it also helps in sympathetic arousal if the client is more in a parasympathetic hypoaroused state. I can choose how the lights behave during the resting sessions in between EMDR sessions. I can use this slow brightening and fading out to help the clients breathe with the light. Brightening over the 5 seconds to help the client breathe in, and fading over 5 more seconds to help the clients breathe out. This helps them ground themselves and restore their balance and parasympathetic states in between two EMDR sessions. Then I can also use this breathing mode. It simulates an expanding and contracting lungs, and I can also change the color on the fly. This simulates an expanding and contracting lungs, and the clients can easily breathe in and out with this. I can also choose to keep the lights off in between sessions if the clients feel overwhelmed and distracted. And when I press start again, the next session starts. I thought you might want to take a sneak peek of how I built this EMDR device from scratch. It took many weeks of experimentation and polishing this device to perfection. Especially the edge slowdown, the light slowing down at the edges in a sine and arc sine wave, that took many days of experimentation. This project reminded me that meaningful tools don't always come from large companies. Sometimes they come from curiosity, persistence, and the willingness to build what you truly need. If you are a trained EMDR clinician and you want me to design and customize an EMDR device like this for your own clinic, contact me through my website in the description below.